Hello lovers of Easy Fashion, welcome to another episode of Everything Hair. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to coil hair using plastic coilers and its straightener. So first I'm going to prep my hair and make a C-part. The things I'll be using is my hair wax, my hot comb and my latte comb. So let's get started. So first I'm just going to carve out a C with my latte comb. This makes the styling process much easier and ensures an even finish to the pattern I desire. So that's what we're going to be doing. So after creating your C part, you're going to go ahead to just smoothen out and make any necessary adjustments you need to make. And then we're going to go in with our hair wax. So just smoothen it out. And our hot comb, which is the real deal. So I'm just smoothing it out and getting all the little hairs out of the way so that I see the clear part I created and see if any adjustments are needed. I'm just making sure I smooth out the roots of the hair with the end of my hot comb. So yeah. So here's what it looks like. And I'm just going to brush out my hair and detangle my hair before I get into the coiling process. So guys, what I'll be using for my coiling is my hair clips, my straightener, and then my plastic rollers and my pins for the rollers. Then we also have hair oil and most important, a heat protector since we're going to be using heat. So let's begin. So I'm going to begin by applying my heat protector, and then I'm going to use my straightener to just straighten out and smoothen the hair. Then I'm going to use my coilers to just wrap around the hair. I'm just going to wrap it around the hair and secure it in place with my pin. So I'm going to do another section. So I use my heat protector. I use my hair oil. Then you go in with your comb to just make sure everything is nice and smooth and detangled. Then I go with my straightener to straighten it out and make it smooth before I coil. So after doing that, I use my coiler to wrap the hair, then use my pin to secure it in place. And that's just basically it, how you use a straightener to coil your hair. So guys, fast forward. Let's assume you run short of coilers like I did. I'm going to show you how to coil your hair without using coilers. So first you're going to go in with your heat protector as usual. Then you're going to use your hair oil to just make sure you moisturize your hair. So you actually need one roller in order for this to work. So just watch closely as I show you a hack. So you're going to straighten your hair, smoothing it. Straightening your hair ensures your coils come out very smooth. So this is just one coiling technique you can use to coil your hair. So you can see. You hold it in place. Then you release. And if you notice, I did coil the opposite direction. This is just to give it more volume. Then you're going to use your pin to hold the hair in place. And there you have it. This is how you coil if you run out of coilers. So on that note, we are done, guys. So I'm just trying to do minor adjustments necessary. I have a particular way I wanted this front part to come out, so I was just trying to make sure everything was okay. So guys, that's basically it. Please like and subscribe and turn on your notification, because I'm going to let this air dry. So after that, I'm going to do a part 2 to show what it looks like after taking off the coilers. So stay tuned, guys, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.